Hello and welcome to video 3 of our Workshops and Events Getting Started series. This video covers creating an event, and in this case it's creating a parent-teacher interview. The audience for this video is public or private schools from K to 12, and there is a similar video for companies. This video will create a parent-teacher interview event. At this point, Royal College has updated their account and registered their teachers. Now they will create their first parent-teacher event. So click on Create New Event. Select Parent-Teacher. You can see the default picture. This can be changed after you've created your own parent-teacher event, if you wish. You'll see the event is by default active. The registration will be open. And the parent-teacher interview setup, you can have in-parent-teacher only, in-person only, video only, or in-person or video. In this case, we'll select the in-person or video, meaning that a parent can elect to attend the meeting via video or in person. For the event name, we will call this event Parent Night March 2023, and I have some text that I'll just paste in. The theme will be Working Together. Image is the image that will appear on the home page of your event site. You can select the best image that suits your needs. You can go through, and this is a sample of what it kind of looks like on the home page. Actually, the actual home page looks much better because this is a small image. So you pick one that kind of meets your needs. There are many here. Let's pick this one. The event summary, we'll paste some text that I have. Join us on March 17th, 2023 from 1 to 7 to meet the teacher for interviews. Be sure to book your session as soon as possible. Now, so this is going to be in March of 2023. March of 2023 on, let's say, the 17th. It's going to start at 1 p.m. Let's just type 1 p.m. and the event will run through till 7 p.m. So it's March the 23rd. Be careful that you have the same day, March 23rd, and we'll go to 7 p.m. Okay, so the event goes from on March the 17th, sorry, the 17th, from 1 p.m. to 7 p.m. Then we're going to save our event. So the event is now saved. At this point, if we want, we can change this image. I'll change it out to an image that I've selected. This one. And now our event is ready to be viewed. If we go back here now, we will see that we've created an event and we can view it right here. So this is the event set up. Next on the agenda will be setting up registrations for parents and teachers. Thank you. That's it for this video.